Hello everyone. Now, I'm supposed to be talking about XRP, but before I jump into that, I want to talk about what the SEC and XRP little issue is. Now, for me guys, I'm really not a big government proponent. I think the government, once they get involved, they dig their hands deep and they end up controlling the industry. Now, that's what I think that the government is doing with cryptocurrencies. They're just trying to get involved and basically take it over, and basically have be as manipulated as it is like the forex market or stocks or just basically markets in general. We don't have free markets as it is today, and the government is trying to involve themselves with XRP and many other cryptos. So to me, I think this is basically an overreach. But let's dive right into XRP in the charts, knowing that it's basically being manipulated with this issue with SEC. So let's dive right into it, guys. So XRP, guys, has been made a little bit of rallying. I think it is a pullback in the overall trend. We are looking at the weekly. So the weekly to me is weekly and monthly is like the best indicator of a trend. So you guys see a trend coming. Now this can be a pullback, or just a basically like a what's it? This is the accumulation zone, and this is going to be the sell-off. Now this can head back down to this lower lows and head back down lower, or just be a pullback in the overall direction. We will know in the next two candles for that. I'm seeing it. And why next two candles? Basically, there's 2 week bars. Now, if it stabilizes this position, then yeah, we might have a new support, building up a new accumulation zone. But if that's not true and head back down lower, then we know it's possibly it's a pump and dump. So this was the accumulation zone, then it take off, and then here we go right here, this buy zone right here. Now, see how it is pushed down? That's fairly normal for big push-ups, but what ends up happening that I've seen, especially trading cryptocurrencies, when this happens, it ends up going back down to the support, doing like a slight bounce. So what ends up happening is that when it comes down right here, and it doesn't create that pullback, it goes back to the support zone, and sometimes it consolidates again and builds up a small accumulation zone, a lot less than this was prior, and does a little pump and dump again, but not as big as this one. But then it typically goes like this and then heads down to make new lower lows and continues doing this pump and dump phase. Now, you see a lot of cryptocurrency as I talk about this. I mean, this is getting hyped up again. Or what it can do is that it can skip all this and just head down lower. Now, I think that it is going to head down lower. I may be wrong. I'll see in the next 2 or 3 weeks. Because I made a video earlier about this saying that it might be going down lower, but this big rally up is just, I think, is a temporary pullback in the overall trend. Now let's look at the overall trend. So we're on the weekly, right? You can see that it does this quite often. It'll pull back, do massive pullback, double top right here, crash back down, pull back, and possibly hit down lower, maybe down to the 26 cents. And if it does hit this support, so my first price prediction would be, just say 33 cents. The secondary price prediction, if it breaks that support, would be 21 cents. Alright, we can go like 21 to 25 cents. Basically that zone down there. Because I would say that this chart's being manipulated due to the government now basically allowing this to be traded as normal. But almost everything's been being manipulated today. This is extremely, I don't think there's any market out there today that is not being manipulated. Maybe like precious metals you can buy like in cash, but every single market that out there is being messed with by central banks, big banks, or basically the Federal Reserve. And to me, that's why we don't have free markets anyways. You have to be normalized to the manipulation. But I would say XRP is a little bit more manipulated, not saying the sense of it going up or down, just it being suppressed. But let's get into some of the information about it. But guys, just to verify, I think it's going down lower, 33 cents. First price prediction, secondary price prediction is 21 to 25 cents, this little zone right here. But let's get into some other details. Like, it is ranked number 6 on the list, 1.6 million people's watch list. Now, if you guys want to get to what is it, basically in some details, launched in 2021, XRP Ledger is an open source, permissionless, and decentralized technology. Benefits of XRP Ledger includes a low cost, like this is like 0.0002 transaction cost, speed relative transactions by 3 to 5 seconds, scalability 1,500 transactions per second, so it's pretty fast. Now, undeniable, it's like XRP does deserve to be in the top 10. It's an extremely good cryptocurrency, but we'll see what this situation handles. But let's go to their website, xrpl.org, or hit their social media. Just go Ripple. Now, I would say, please check out this Twitter page just where you get the most news. But besides that, guys, check out my website. I added some new MQRL4 stuff. So you want to learn more about programming with Mentor to 405. I have some information here. I added some new stuff to the economy portion, which should be updating even more. So if yes, please check that out, guys. But other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Tell you how I did in this video. I know I started off a little bit different when it comes to the government, but I think it has to be brought up, especially about XRP versus other cryptocurrencies out there. But just tell me what you guys' thoughts are.